first D1. First D1. Bossy Good Bar. Meet Bossy King Zion. Come on now. Come on, somebody. Let them know something, Black China. A chick's dig it granddaughter. King Zion daughter. Bossy John John. What is he? Mr. Good Bar son. Come on, man. These the best 3 chocolate tries in the XL game ever. And 1 pedigree up close. It can't get no closer than this. It really can't. Chicks dig it granddaughter. King Zion daughter. Mr. Good Bar son. Yeah. This one for the books, man. YouTube. I'm back, man. Landis Harris with Burrnationk9s, man. And today, we got puppies for sale. Come on now. We got real puppies for sale, man. Real pedigrees, real structure, real dome, real bone. Come on now. Real show quality dogs, champions. He's champion in the bloodline. Come on now. That's exactly what we got, man. We got lilies, we got chocolates, we got light blues. Come on, man. We got dark blue. Come on now. We got it all, man. We got Bossy Kennels, Mr. Good Boy, going head up with Bossy Kennels Zion. And a hen of chicks dig it. Come on now. Them 3 dogs, man, is the best chocolate tri dogs that the XL game has ever seen. Come on now. The XL game ain't never seen them 3 dogs in 1 pedigree, man. This is exclusive. You know, if the price too high, it may not be for you. You know what I'm saying? These are 2-week-old puppies, and I'm finna show them off now. We got 4th and 5th pick on the males available. We got 3rd, 4th, and 5th pick on the females available. They 2 weeks old, man. Yes, they XLs. Come on now. Yes, they XL before y'all could even ask. Yes, they XLs. We gonna get this thing going for y'all, man. Show you we ain't playing no games, man. They just hit 2 weeks old. You know, let me separate. I just washed them off. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and separate the females and the males right now. So I can show y'all a little bit about what we're working with. This one, right? Oh, okay. There we go. Straight 10. Okay. We're gonna start with the males, man. Coming right up, man. Coming right up. Got the chocolate try. Chocolate try meal. Full try soup. Come on now. Chocolate. Dark chocolate at that with the light tan. White leg. Tan and white leg. Oh, look at you, boy. Look at you. Like I said, they 2 weeks old. Just hit 2 weeks. I mean, we'll give you all the shots of these bad jokers. If you're looking for the truth, this the truth. If you're looking for the truth, this is the truth. Like I say on the males, man, we got 4th and 5th picks available. Chocolate, here a little wet. Little chocolate. It's a little chocolate. White stripe down his face, white feet, come on now. White neck. They are on our website and the prices are listed for the pics. We'll give y'all everything, man. Just hit 2 weeks old. You can see the 2-week-old size. Yeah, you see the 2-week-old size. Yeah, I can't wait till we start getting them on our food in about a week and a half. It's gonna be on like Donkey Kong. White nose, white chest. Chocolate. Chocolate. Come on now, them chocolates steady rolling. Act like you know what you see. Another dark chocolate boy. A little wet, don't mind that. Just gave him a bath. Just gave him a bath. Yes, sir. These boys are true. Come on now. All on full tri suit. Bossy John, Burrnationk9s Black China. The Truth. Good Bar son, King Zion daughter. Chick's Dicky granddaughter. Come on now. Somebody bear with me now. And we got them blues. And the blue. You go. Big blue boy. Giving that pressure. Light blue. Beauty. Light blue. Do your thing. 2 weeks old. Do your thing. This for YouTube. When you never promoted a puppy sale on YouTube, let's see how it go. Anybody want the truth? You seen the pedigree at the beginning of the video, and you gonna see it at the end. You want the truth? Ooh, boy. Don't look at me. Look at the TV. Come on now. White chest, little white on the toes. Light blue tri. Male. Big boy lilac. And pretty lilac too. Yes, sir. Lilac tri, man. White line down the face. A little white on his neck. A little white on his nose. White chest, he pretty. Platinum. Platinum. Them the males, man. Send males out the way. On to the females. Like I say, we got 3rd, 4th, 5th pick available on these females. If you snooze, you lose. Getting one of these, you can't lose. Another dark chocolate. Everything dark chocolate. There ain't nothing light chocolate in here. It's in the blood. You feel me? Check the pedigree out, baby. 2 weeks old. I want to keep reminding y'all that these are 2 weeks old now. White on the neck. White line down the face. White on the nose. White on the feet and toes. White chest. Light tan. Yes, sir. Blue tri. Light blue tri at that. It's time for y'all to start eating on your own. Y'all keep licking. I'm going to put y'all to the test. Blue tri. Female. Beauty. Can't wait to show y'all these pups at 4, 5, 6 weeks old. White chest. No white feet. None. Blue feet. Blue and tan feet. Dark tan points. Blue tri. Coming right up. Another blue tri. Sure, she brolic. Blue tri. White on the chin. White chest. White toe, left toe. White left toes in the rear. White left toes all around. Dark tan. Come on now. It's a female. It's getting hot in here. It's getting hot in here. But yeah. Yes, sir. 2 weeks old, baby. Can't wait to see which one y'all choose, who the cutest. The parents are unbelievable. I can't wait to drop them parents on you. For real. Coming right up. We got them lilac pools. Lilac. 2 weeks old, just hit it. Like I say, man, he just hit 2 weeks old, man. Come on, man. Can't wait to see him get on our food. White chest, white toes, white neck, white stripe on the face. Not dark tan, but in the middle tan points. Little try. 2 weeks old. Last one. Lily try female. Yeah. White chest, as they all should have. Noggin as a head. Little try. No white on the face at all. No white on the body, but the chest. There we go. Lily try. Final, man. Y'all stay tuned after this. We're gonna drop more pictures, more videos, more everything of the parents. Some of the puppies matter of fact, some of the pictures that we took of the puppies week 1. So you can see the size difference. Y'all seen them on video versus picture. I dropped the pictures of week 1 right after this. Stay tuned, man. Like, subscribe, share. Man, share to YouTube, man, for real. Appreciate y'all. Burrnationk9s, man. One of the best, man. One of the first people to start. How big them jokers getting, y'all. How big they getting now? 2 weeks, just got their first D1. Their first D1. Bossy good bar. Meet Bossy King Zion. Come on now. Come on, somebody. Let them know something, Black China. A chick's diggy granddaughter. King Zion daughter. Bossy John. What is he? Mr. Good Bar son. Come on, man. These the best 3 chocolate tries in the XL game ever. And 1 pedigree up close. It can't get no closer than this. It really can't. Chick's digger granddaughter. King Zion daughter. Mr. Good Bar son. Yeah. This one for the books, man.